Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Sometimes we see a white encased component placed on the heatsink or tab of any MOSFET or any power dissipating device. These two wires are connected in line voltage. Any line or neutral will pass through fuse. Maybe in the second line this component is connected, closed path, then this power supply will go to next circuit for rectifier or bridge rectifier, anything. This component is connected on the mounting tab, that is this one. This is normal fuse and this component is connected here. It is PTC resettable fuse or thermistor. P82 series or P8 series. Then there is 105C. That means P82 series 105 degree centigrade. At this temperature it will trip. If the mounting tab of this MOSFET will heat up, or any component, power dissipating device will heat up, or heatsink will heat up at that specified degree, that is this one, it will trip off. Most of the time its differential temperature is plus minus 40%, that means 105 degree trip and 65 degrees will close temperature. It's approximately like this. We can test using multimeter. But now I will connect to the line voltage. You can connect multimeter to test it. At this place we can check continuity as well. Normally it must give closed circuit. We can see it is giving closed circuit. Normally it is closed circuit. It will allow the current. Now it is passing the current. We can see it tripped off now. When it will cool down, it will close the circuit again. It is used as a temperature protection to protect this MOSFET from overheating, from damaging. It is resettable fuse. It will reset automatically. When the temperature will cool down, at that time it will close the circuit again. Yes, now it turned on again. I will heat up again. Its temperature will increase. It will trip off. It works like a thermostat. Yes. Fuse opens due to overcurrent. And this resettable fuse will open with temperature. Its contact current is 2 ampere. 2 ampere at rated line voltage. It is available in different current ratings, different voltage ratings. Sometimes these are used for battery protection. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.